The next part is fairly easy to construct. You can see here that this fireplace part, as I'm calling it, rests on top of the hearth here. Now we're not going to draw it on top of it because it's to be an exploded isometric, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a point here and here where I know that both parts come together. Okay, so you can see that this back part here joins the hearth at that point. So I'm going to project that point up and project it up on the other side. And that gives me a guide to where I can start drawing the back part. Now there should be a gap between them, so I'm going to choose a sensible gap that's going to allow me to fit this part in and also fit the mantle in. So if I leave about, what's that, about maybe 40mm gap, it doesn't need to be perfect, it's your judgment, and all I'm going to do is just draw line across there, and that lets me know that that's my starting point. So all I'm going to do is just kind of measure up and form up the bottom of the fireplace. It comes out by this amount here, which I can measure. Just mark that one there. That's how far out it comes. And height wise, it goes up this amount here. So we just extend that line up, extend this line up, extend this line up, extend this line up. And then using the size we've already measured, mark that one. So there, it goes right across to there, right across to there. Then we can just join these lines up. So I'm going to firm in the lines that I know. I know that line there is going to be an outline, and that one there, and then just to the end here, here, and then just draw down to there, draw down to there, and to there, and then same on the other side to there. Now they're the only lines that I can be certain of at the moment. What I need to do now though is draw in this cut out part here. Using the elevation, and work out how far it is in from the edge. There, I can just mark that on. It's symmetrical, so I can do the same from the other side. So I'll let you know how far along the opening is. So I'll just draw a couple of construction lines up there. In terms of height, you've got to be careful here because that's the bottom of the fireplace part there, so that's where I've got to measure from. Mark that one there. That gives us a point there. And then just firm these in. A common mistake is to stop at that point, which would be wrong, because we need to draw in that line, and then finally a line that will disappear behind there, and that's that part done. That's job done on that. And just fill in that wee gap there that's appeared. Okay, last thing to do is to draw the mantle, the bit at the top. So extend these lines up. And if you look at the drawing, you can see that the back of the mantle is lined up with the back of the fireplace part. So I'm just going to choose to draw that here. It's the same width as the this way it's the same width as the whole thing, so I can do that with confidence. Just extend these lines out, and all we need to do is measure how far out they come using this compass. Mark that on here. And then extend the lines up the correct height, which I can do just by measuring. Mark it on. Draw another line, and basically that's it. The ideal situation is that there should be a space or daylight, as I like to put it, between the parts, each of the parts, and I think I managed to achieve that. I could probably have pushed the mantle up a wee bit more, but you can see that there's definitely a space there, and a space there, so that's that done.